Hi there. Most of the English language learners are confused about the usage of an apostrophe, a simple punctuation mark, but it creates problems if you misplace that. In this video, let's learn how and when to use an apostrophe. Apostrophe is mainly used for three reasons. Apostrophes are used to replace missing letters in contracted forms. For example, isn't, which is actually is not. Now, why do we use apostrophe here? We use that to suggest that we have removed the letter O, is not. We have removed O there. And now it becomes isn't. So, apostrophe tells us that one or more letters have been removed. Okay, now let's look at another example here. Can't, C-A-N apostrophe T. This is actually cannot. Now, we use this to suggest that we have removed the letters N and O. Let's look at one more example here. Your, Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. It actually is you are. Your, but you pronounce it as your with apostrophe. Now, to suggest that we have removed the letter A, we used an apostrophe here. Now, let's look at the second use of apostrophe. We use apostrophes before or after possessive S. I mean, when we talk about something that belongs to somebody. When we talk about somebody owning something. Okay, for example, the boy's bag, her parents' house. But we should not use apostrophes with possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Okay, for example, this house is ours. Now, in this sentence, ours is a possessive pronoun, so we should not use any apostrophe with this. This house is ours, that's right. And one more example. Whose bag is it? Now, we should not say who apostrophe is. This is whose bag is it. This is possessive adjective because this is modifying the noun bag. Now, words which do not usually have plural forms sometimes have an apostrophe when their plural form is written. For example, there are a lot of ifs and buts. Ifs, I-F apostrophe S, and buts, B-U-T apostrophe S. It means people might have doubts and they can express using if it happens like that. Now, there are many ifs, there are many buts. Okay. Apostrophes are used in the plurals of letters and sometimes numbers and abbreviations. For example, now he always writes D's instead of B's. Now some children have this confusion. They write D-A-G instead of B-A-G bag. They write dag. Okay, she knows 5 MLAs personally. Now you can also write this without an apostrophe. You can say she knows 5 MLAs and there is no apostrophe necessary. Of course, you can use apostrophe. Another example. She was born in the late 1980s. Again, you can leave out the apostrophe here. And that's it in this video. I hope you have learned how to use an apostrophe. See you in the next video.